Hi, peasant! I mean, assistant? A prank call? Sure, but what? Gordon snoring? That was priceless! And you can see your face! Oh, right. I guess she no longer has a face. But I bet it's gonna go viral!
Надень, ты почеши мне спинку. Кидай, 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 кидай.
These people are loving it online!
Поберегись, большой кальмар.
These people are loving it online! Okay, fine. Maybe I went a little over the top, but hey!
Right. As if that's gonna happen.
Yuri, what are you